Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 20, 2022. 3-star Sudoku. Column J, 5 numbers are remaining 1, 3, 4, 6 and 7. 8th row and 10th row, column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 4 numbers are remaining 1, 4, 6, 7. 10th row and 3rd grade, we have pair numbers 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the 2 cells. 6th grade, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 7. 3rd grade, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Sixth grade, 4 numbers are remaining 4, 5, 7, 9. Column H, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining 4, 7, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column H, 4 numbers are remaining 2, 3, 8, 6. 3rd grade, we have 6. 10th row also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining 2. 2 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, only one number is remaining 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining 4, 8, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Tenth row, 3 numbers are remaining 4, 5, 9. Column C, we have 5 and 7th grade we have 9. So 5 and 9 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column I, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then only one number is remaining 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 8. 8th row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column J, 4 numbers are remaining 2, 3, 6, 9. 3rd row and 4th row, we have 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 6th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 3. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 2nd grade, 3 numbers are remaining 6, 8, 5. Column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining 3, 8, 9. Column C, column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 9. Column C, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column B, 4 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 5, 7. Column C, 4th row, we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Only 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 7, first grade and 7th grade. We have 3, so 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 2. Third row, we have 1, 7. So 1, 7 can't come this cell, it will come in any one of the 2 cells. Then only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Since 8 is here, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column E, 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 7, 8. 8th grade. 6th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. 5th grade. And 8th row, we have 8. 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. It will come in any one of 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. It will come in any one of 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 7th row and 5th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Column F, 1 will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. 6th row also we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. 5th row and 7th row, 1 will come in any one of the cells, so 1 can't come in the cell, the 1 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 6th row and 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column H, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column H, only 1 number is remaining, 9, 9 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. 5th row, we already have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column F, only 1 number is remaining, 2, 2 is confirmed here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in the cell. Then the 2 is confirmed here. then 7 is here. Since 7 is here, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column B, only one number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. 8th row, only one number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.